Hurrah! Hurrah! Character design. I suck at it a lot. And today we are gonna draw cat girls. And cat girls are my favorite. And I really like cat girls because I don't know, they're so cute and they're like I'm sorry. I got a little too carried away. Alright, so as usual, my goal is to design these characters in as little time as possible. So what I did was, I took a number of cat poses, okay, actual cats that are posing, and based on that, I drew cat girls, okay, without any human reference. So I wanted to draw them. The idea was to draw these poses or draw these cat girls in various different cat poses, exactly imitating a cat. Alright, so I drew a couple of poses and cancelled out some of them because they were not like so good enough. So I finalized these 4 poses and then I started coloring them. But I kept in mind that each of their faces, each of their hairstyles are different. Their body makeup is different, their body structure is different. Alright, so yeah, my idea for the first one was to have a pink style of girl, alright, a pink cat. Alright, so that is what I did. I chose a peach color and an orange color for her dress and a black color for her hair, and she did turn out pretty good in my opinion. So yeah, the second one, I wanted to draw a black cat. Alright, so what I did was not choose a black color but a very midnight blue color, okay, and for her shirt I chose a light purple, right, because it went perfectly with the midnight blue. And for the tail and the hair I chose a very whitish or a grayish color, right, so that contrasts her midnight blue skin, right. So yeah, the next one, I wanted to do a white cat, okay, so the colors I chose were pretty much white. Her skin color was pretty much white or pale. Her hair and her tail was white, and for her shirt I chose a yellow because it is a very light color, okay. If I had chosen a white color, then that would have not given me so much contrast in the design, right. So yeah, and she's like, I don't know, just standing on a log or something and just yawning or something, or purring or something. This design was probably my favorite one, the third one and the first one, okay, among the 4. And the last one is a typical cat pose, alright. And for that, I chose the brown cat, okay. Her skin color is kind of like to the lighter side, okay, but her hair color and her tail color is pretty much brown, alright. So yeah, and for the shirt and pants, it's just black and white, so that works. The last design I did not like too much. Maybe I'll change her in the future, but whatever. I mean, you can only do so much in just 1 hour, alright. And yeah, I feel that for the last design I could have done something much better, especially her hair, alright. So yeah, anyways, that's it for cat girls. And if you want to see more of these character designs, please subscribe. We are so close to 1000 subscribers. Please help me reach 1000 subscribers. There are a lot of things coming in the future, okay, so yeah, please subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you later. Goodbye.